right now. Oh, I look good today. Go! I don't know where the box is. Jordan!
First, semi-automatic, guys. Semi-automatic only.
Fall back, Jordan! Hey, Liam, go on that left side with him. Go over there. Yeah, hey, watch that left side. Both of you, get over there now. Jordan, fall back. It's not over here. Hey, straight through here, straight through here. Brandon, come on! Get out. Friendly coming through. You're hit! Jesus Christ, dude, you gotta call it faster. Get out of the way, please. Nice try, though, bro. Hey, friendly! Friendly! Some little faggot came in the dark room behind you. Hey! Hey! Cover me. Give me cover fire. Let's go. Follow me. Moving. Straight back! Watch out, he's straight back. Hey, I'm gonna get to this bunker right here. You ready? Clear! Go! Got him! Hey guys, start clearing out the rooms. Jordan, you hang back. Everyone else clear out rooms. Hey kid, get up here! Alright. We're gonna need some people to start clearing out rooms. Just go room by room, clear it out, make sure no one's in it. We're gonna make a big push here soon. Alright, let me check. It's clear, go! Alright, I'm coming. Kid with the AK, go too. Come on, Jordan, let's go. I got you left side. Just keep on moving. We're clear, go. Hey Jordan, go to the right of this building. Go to the right. Jordan, stay to the right side of that building. What team are you? Oh. Move up. No. Yeah, they're friendly. Go. Look out. I'm gonna see if I can get him. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, I see him. Go, Jordan, go! Sorry for shooting you that much, bro. You alright?